What if your small outdoor space could exude the charm and sophistication of a luxury retreat without costing a fortune? Yes, even the tiniest backyard or patio can radiate elegance with thoughtful design choices and a little creativity. Let's transform your small space into something extraordinary, beautiful, functional, and uniquely yours. Start by envisioning the potential of your space. Whether it's a compact patio, a cozy corner in the yard, or even a narrow balcony, these places hold endless possibilities. What defines elegance isn't the size of the space, but the way it's curated. Small spaces have the advantage of feeling intimate, personal, and, when designed thoughtfully, profoundly inviting. Begin with a foundation that sets the tone for the entire design. Flooring is often overlooked, but can dramatically alter the aesthetic. Choose weather-resistant tiles with a natural stone finish, or opt for wooden deck panels that add warmth and texture. If you're on a tight budget, consider interlocking composite tiles. They're easy to install and offer a polished look without breaking the bank. Rugs, especially outdoor ones with intricate patterns, can layer in visual appeal while defining seating or lounging areas. Now think vertical. Small spaces thrive on vertical design elements because they draw the eye upward, creating an illusion of height and spaciousness. Wall-mounted planters, cascading greenery, or trellises with climbing plants like jasmine or clematis can add lushness without encroaching on valuable floor space. Hanging lanterns or string lights provide not only illumination, but also a sense of intimacy, especially as the evening sets in. Seating arrangements come next, and this is where creativity can turn practicality into elegance. Built-in benches with hidden storage are a game changer. They not only offer a sleek, streamlined look, but also help in maintaining clutter-free surroundings. Accessorize them with weather-resistant cushions in neutral tones or subtle patterns for a timeless appeal. If built-ins aren't feasible, consider foldable or stackable chairs with elegant designs, perfect for small spaces and easily stowed away when not in use. No elegant outdoor space is complete without a focal point, and this doesn't have to cost a fortune. A small water feature, like a tabletop fountain, adds serenity with the gentle sound of flowing water. If water features aren't your style, consider a fire pit bowl, a compact, budget-friendly alternative that provides warmth and acts as a visual centerpiece. Pair these with carefully chosen accents like ceramic pots, lanterns, or even a simple sculpture to elevate the aesthetic. Speaking of accents, let's talk greenery. Plants breathe life into any space, and in small areas their placement is key. Use pots of varying heights and materials to add depth and texture. Combine evergreens for structure with seasonal flowers for pops of colour. Herbs like rosemary, basil and thyme are not only practical, but also emit a delightful aroma that enhances the ambiance. For those short on time, succulents and other low-maintenance options can be just as striking when grouped thoughtfully. Lighting is another crucial element that can elevate a small space from ordinary to extraordinary. Avoid harsh, overly bright fixtures. Instead, layer your lighting to create depth and mood. Solar-powered stake lights along pathways or garden beds are an eco-friendly choice. Lanterns with warm LED bulbs add a soft glow, while fairy lights draped overhead can mimic a starry night sky, turning the space into a magical retreat. To tie everything together, focus on personal touches. Incorporate elements that resonate with your personality. Perhaps it's a vintage birdcage repurposed as a planter, a collection of handcrafted pottery, or even a family heirloom that finds a new purpose outdoors. Personalisation is what makes a space feel authentic and truly yours. Lastly, let's talk about functionality. Small spaces, no matter how elegant, must remain practical. Folding tables that can double as dining or workspaces are invaluable. Multi-purpose furniture, like ottomans that can serve as both seating and storage, ensures every inch of the space is utilised effectively. Arrange the layout in a way that allows for free movement and doesn't feel overcrowded. Now pause for a moment and imagine the transformation. A once neglected corner becomes the perfect spot for a morning coffee, bathed in soft light. An unassuming patio evolves into a cosy gathering space where friends and family can connect. Each choice you make, every detail you add, contributes to a larger narrative of how even the smallest spaces can hold grand ambitions. What's most remarkable about designing a small space is the sense of accomplishment it brings. With each thoughtful addition, you're not just decorating, you're creating a haven, a reflection of your creativity and resourcefulness. And with the ideas we've explored today, your small space is well on its way to becoming the elegant retreat you've always dreamed of. If this inspired you, don't forget to share it with someone who might need a little nudge to start their makeover. And remember, transforming your space is just the beginning. It's the experiences you'll create in it that truly make it special.